Hello, hi beautiful people. Thank you for tuning in today. Sheila here. We are in Bugolobi. This is Bandali Rides. Don't mind the way the street looks. Let's go. I am taking you from here all the way up to Kyebando. So, have you ever imagined Kampala streets when they are free, without the crazy borders, without the traffic, without the many cars? This was a Sunday morning. The sun was rising. Don't ask me where I was coming from, but let me take you all the way up to Kyebando. The streets are so empty and lovely. The sun is beautiful. It is rising. Oh, just sit back and relax. Let's go. So on the right, we have Village Mall Bugolobi. On the right there, Village Mall Bugolobi. On the left, we have a restaurant. This is us joining Lithuli Avenue. We are in Bugolobi. This is Lithuli Avenue. We are going to go through a little bit of industrial area, the Lugogo bypass, a little bit there, Bukoto, where Kabira Country Club is. Then we go down. Hey, just come with me. So what you see overhead there, those are hostels, the students' hostels and other businesses going on. We do have a video on the channel when we visited them and we checked them out and we saw all the buildings and everything that happens there, yeah? So we are on Spring Road right now. This is the one. Guys, just look at how free the streets are, eh? If you've been here watching regularly, eh? You know the mess that we have. You know the chaos that we usually have. But the streets are free. They are clean. You know the cleaning ladies, they start cleaning at around 5 a.m., eh? 5 a.m. if you're coming from outside, they're there. 5 a.m. there, sometimes 4, they're there on the streets and they're sweeping, they're cleaning, because Bambi, maybe sometimes they have different places to go to, yeah? So on the left, that is the 5th Street. That road on the left. And of course, by now you know all these streets that you're seeing now. I've been here with you countless times. I've shown you these streets over and over countless times. By now you should know where we are. Yeah, we are in the industrial area. This is Spring Road. We are soon joining Old Port Bell Road. Then we go there and then find ourselves on Ginger Road and then move like that. This is Kampala in the morning. Kampala City in the morning. Sunday, coming to 7 a.m. there. First, check out that building. Do you see on the right? That new building with many floors on the right. We are going to pass by it on the 3rd Street. So on the right, we do have the 4th Street. There on the right, the one we've not taken, the 4th Street. On the left, we have the railway tracks. You know the ones? Because we have a video of the train, of the commuter train in Kampala, the one and only. And we passed there. The video is there on the channel. In case you missed it, please check it out. So this is Old Port Bell Road. You know, it has been under construction for months and months now, but by the looks of it, they are almost done, because even the island has the plants now, you see. We have plants in the island. Hey, if you go straight forward, if you keep going, it drops you at the Wampeo Avenue roundabout, yeah? You pass through Lufula, the place for the passports, the MTN head office, and then you reach there, the Wampeo roundabout. So this is the building. Do you see? Look at how big that is. I do not know what it's going to be. I have no idea. But of course, you now keep on updating you, because, hey, updating you is what I do all day, every day. Have you seen that massive building, guys? So anyway, this is the 3rd Street of industrial area where we are at the moment. Somewhere on the right, we have the Umeme offices. Somewhere on the right, we have other offices. Then on the left here, we have the new Vision, the Vision Group. Here on the left, that's where the Vision Group is. With all that they do, the newspapers and then the TVs and then everything. Vision Group is over there. This is the 3rd Street. We are joining Ginger Road. Yeah? Ginger Road here, you can cross through and take the right. You can cross through and take the right, or just come to the left like what we have done. This is Ginger Road. If you go straight forward, it drops you at the Wampeo roundabout, Wampeo Avenue roundabout as well. Down there, the Airtel one, I've shown you guys countless times. So now we are crossing through and we are going to be joining Archer Street, Archer Road, Archer Street. This one, we do have the Ginger Road police station somewhere here. You see the police cars, This is Archer Road. We have some police barracks, some police homes, houses. You see those ones, the ugly ones, the ramshackled ones there. Police houses, that's how they look everywhere. I don't even have to sugarcoat it. That is how they look everywhere. The police houses. If you know, you know. So anyway, this is Archer Road, and we are joining the Upper Kololo Terrace. If you take the left, it takes you to what's that? The airstrip. If you take the left, it takes you to Kololo airstrip. And then the other side. Now we have taken the right. This is Upper Kololo Terrace. Look at the sunrise. Very beautiful. The streets are free. You can enjoy the breeze. We've passed by the Eritrean embassy over there. Then here on the right, we have Rosa Dimes. It is a bar. It is a bar and a restaurant as well. Then there is Soul over there, bar and restaurant. Guys, you see that sunrise? Very early in the morning. The early bird catches the worm. You see the building on the right? It has the FedEx head offices. Then this building on the left, it has the DHL head offices. Then we have Power Bank head offices here on the left. And now we are on Lugogo bypass. Lugogo bypass, very beautiful morning. Some people are heading to work because yes, however much it's a Sunday, people still go to work. If you take the right, there is a road there down on the right. It takes you to Naguru Hospital and all those other places. We have new buildings through the left there. I don't know if you're seeing them. Through the left behind there, we have new buildings. We have new things coming up. On the right, we have Ruby Hospital. This is Lugogo bypass, in its glory, with no traffic, with nothing. This is us just cruising through. We have a business center over there on the right, Mirembe Business Center. What do we have here? The streets are clean, they are calm, the environment is guys, this is beautiful, right? This is beautiful. Anyway, all right, of course you know that drill, guys. If we have a school somewhere here, the Kololo High, somewhere here on the left. Sometimes we pass by and we see the students putting on their uniforms, the white and maroon there on the left there, yeah. So guys, of course you know that drill. If I've passed through any of your areas up to where I am going, if I've passed through any of your areas, you know what to do. Please say hello to us and then we'll say hello right back. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. If you're returning, thank you for coming back over and over. I do appreciate you. Drop me a comment. Guys, you see those apartments? You see on the left. You've been there thinking that things are for joking, Anyway, guys, if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. If you're returning, thank you for coming back over and over. I do appreciate you. Drop me a comment. Let me know the areas you'd like to see. And when I get a chance to pass by, I will definitely bring you the area. Yeah? So on the left here, we have the Kira Police, Kira Police Station there on the left. And now we are joining the Kira Road. This one that we are on, this is Kira Road. We have the white flats on the left over there. This is Bukoto, Bukoto area. Now I had to get some fuel here. Of course, you know what I'm going to say. The car doesn't take water, people, so please like the video. Liking the video is that is direct support to the channel, The least you can do to support the channel is liking the video, sharing the video, commenting on the channel. So there is a KFC over there, is Shell over there, and I was getting some fuel to proceed. We have the white flats over there on the left, and do you see that building up there? That is the one that Sudir is building at Kabira Country Club. You see that one? That tall one there with countless floors. Look at that. It is big. It is massive. It is unbelievable. Oh, but the sunrise, guys, this is beautiful, right? When have you ever passed through these streets and they're all free like this? Nice and free and not congested. People are still home. Everything is just nice. So anyway, guys, this is Bukoto Chisasi Road. Of course, I've shown you this road countless times. It takes you all the way up to Chisasi. It starts from there and then goes all the way up to Chisasi. But we are going to be branching off since we are going to Kyebando. I told you I'm taking you all the way up to Kyebando. This is what is happening. This is what the Kampala streets look like. Early morning on a Sunday. Early morning on a weekday, you've seen the rush hour. I've given you videos of rush hour. You've seen the traffic and all that, yeah? So this road right here is called Kyebando Chisalo Road, yeah? Kyebando Chisalo Road. But you check out the buildings. Look at what people are doing. Of course, I'm going to tell you to make money because, yes, people are not sleeping. Everyone is making money. Everyone is investing. Everyone is being better and doing better. That is what I want for all of you. I want you to be better. I want you to be rich. I want you to have the connection so that you can connect me. I want you to, you know what I'm saying. On the left, we have Kisu, Kampala International School, Uganda. On the left there, that is Kisu. There is a time we passed there and I gave you the fees structure. I showed you how the students pay 55 million a term. One term like this, the students are paying 55 million Ugandan shillings. If you think I'm lying, you go and argue with Google because I already showed you in the other video. In case you missed it, you can check it out. We passed over there and then we did Bukoto and all that, yeah? So anyway, guys, this is us passing under the Kampala, what's that? The Northern Bypass. Northern Bypass there where we have passed. And now here we are joining Kyebando Ring Road. This road here, Kyebando Ring Road. And we are going to be branching off somewhere there. We are almost there, almost at our destination. So this area is Kyebando. We are in Kyebando. This is what Kyebando looks like. This is what people are doing in Kyebando, So this is the first video of the day, guys. Please watch out for the second video because these days we have 2 videos a day. Video is almost coming to an end. So this is me saying, people paying for membership, thank you very much. And everybody supporting the channel the best way they can. I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you very, very much. So since it was early morning Sunday, you see this one has thrown the other one down. Sunday early morning, people were there celebrating, drinking. You know, Ugandans and drinking. We actually have a position there. When it comes to countries that drink, we have a position there. We and the alcohol, we are inseparable. We are like this. We are like 5 and 6. So these people had been drinking for the whole night, celebrating, doing what's, and now they were in the road, they were in the street because, well, they think they own the world, but nonetheless, Mnange, you feel good because it's you who makes the money. Make the money, feel good, feel nice, and then tomorrow we make the money once again. Remember, I have that Chiboko, guys. I have that Chiboko here. Chiboko is very, very serious. 20 million gang, Chiboko is waiting. Nothing in your name gang, Chiboko is waiting. You don't want to invest money? You're there playing around with money, playing around with your job. Are you serious? Chiboko is waiting. So guys, let's make the money, yeah? Let's make the money, invest the money, and be better. Be better, do better. Tutambuza ekintu bwe tutyo. So Kyebando, this is Kyebando, early morning, very early. These are the structures that we have. You see? Structures, people's shops, mobile money, people going to work, people's rentals, where they sleep, where they stay. Kwegamba, chechino Kyebando. So you're going to see people connecting to the flyover there. You're going to see them going down, trying to walk to the flyover, the overpass. They walk over. You see there? If you look down there, they go walking and then they walk over. That is the northern bypass that you see where the cars are moving down there, yeah? Kakati, this is the hood. And yes, we are coming to the end of the video. Thank you guys for being here. Do not forget to like, to share, to subscribe. Drop me a comment. Tutambuze ekintu bwetutyo mpola. Take care of yourselves, guys. Take care of yourselves. Be good people. If it's not on, it is not safe, guys, because people are sick. The diseases are all over. The diseases are flying. The ones you know, the ones you don't know. So make sure you protect yourselves. Be good people. Protect your energy. Of course, make the money. That one is a given. You already know. And I'll be seeing you in our next video, yeah? Alright, bye-bye. See ya.